What is she doing?
Trying to steal your car.
Stop! Stop!
Welcome to the world of breathtaking chases, explosive action, and thrilling moments. If you are looking for heart-pounding thrills, this is the place for you. Prepare yourself, because your heart is about to race with limitless excitement. Police stopped a woman driving a stolen vehicle on 33rd and Memorial Streets just after midnight on March 30th, 2018. Police identified the woman as Angie Frost, 36. She was arrested for vehicle theft.
Reported as stolen. Okay?
Oh.
So you're in possession of it.
I didn't know. Please.
Not to mention your driving status is flagged. So you're not even supposed to be driving, so you're going to jail.
Please.
Police handcuffed her and placed her in the front seat while they searched the stolen car.
I'd say maybe try to give Stephen a call, and she'll give you a number. But the other officer, whoever took the original, couldn't get a hold of him. I don't suppose we're going to be able to either, and I don't feel like spending the rest of my shift trying, because I think this is all going to be a bunch of BS anyway. I think that's probably the best bet. Is this all going to? They'll figure it out. That's some of this crap.
Well, what is she doing?
As the officers stood outside talking, one of them noticed her moving into the driver's seat. Frost had attempted to steal the police car
What is she
and
doing?
flee.
Trying to steal your car.
Stop! Stop!
The stolen police car's camera captured Frost jumping the curb and speeding down Memorial. Police from all over Tulsa began responding. Frost drove south on Memorial and then west on 41st Street before stopping at the Studio 6 Motel in the 8100 block of East 41st, where she got out and fled.
Where'd she go? Is that her right there? There she is.
Come here now!
Frost did not get far and was quickly caught. The police quickly arrested her again when she was planning to hide in a nearby house.
Put your hands over your head. Put your hands over your head. Will somebody unhook her hook so we can put her back on her back?
Oh, please.
You go back inside. She's fine. She's fine.
Hand behind your back. Let's go.
Ow. Ow.
It's in there still.
Ow. Ow. Ow.
Now we do got on a stolen vehicle for sure. All right, stand up. Anybody got a cage? She's wiry.
Apparently so.
His car is right
I
there.
told you that I didn't steal that car.
You just stole a police car.
No, I'm going to jail for over.
You stole a police car in front of 3 police officers and eluded.
Ow.
I've seen some stupid stuff, but my gosh. And you hit a car with it?
You guys told me that I was going to jail for something that I did not do.
You just stole a police car.
Now I'm going to jail for something I did.
Well, there we go.
I don't give a shit.
God, you are hateful.
You just stole a police car and drove like shit.
Yeah, I'm going to jail because I stole a car. You all were going to arrest me for stealing the black car.
Which you could have got out of that charge if you didn't steal it. But then you stole a car in front of us.
I was willing to give up drugs, everybody. The heads of all the mobs and the gangs.
Heads of the mobs, you got that?
And all that shit. But you guys...
You need to learn the art of the deal, though.
Hey, you know what? Our bad. Our bad, you stole a police car.
You know what? Don't patronize me.
Our bad.
Don't.
Take some fucking accountability for your actions.
I do take accountability for my actions.
Did you steal a police car?
You know what?
Did you?
Give me an attorney.
Answer the question.
Give me an attorney. How about
We saw you do it.
No, you didn't see me do it.
I did.
He did. You didn't.
This will be tougher to steal. This is one of our updated, hard to steal models.
Frost was taken to prison. She will now face 3 charges: possession of a stolen vehicle, theft of a vehicle, resisting. The incident occurred on June 20th, 2023 in Otero County, east of Pueblo. The suspect, Anthony Sanchez, is believed to have caused multiple crashes along US 50. When police stopped suspect Anthony Sanchez raised his hands as Otero County Sheriff's deputies and state police arrested him.
Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! Out of the vehicle! I don't know what's going on! I got you! Dude!
Get out on the ground.
Hey, sit in the car.
Sanchez was placed in the back of the patrol car by them, which would also be the beginning of the disaster.
What's going on? Okay, sit. Put your feet in. Hey, sit in the car. Okay. Take your shoes. First, take your shoes off. Anybody right now? Take your shoes off. Okay. Sit. Put your feet in.
Police also confiscated a gun from Sanchez.
It was loaded and chambered. Loaded and chambered.
Minutes passed as the police and officers discussed the arrest when Sanchez stole the patrol car. Inside the patrol car, Sanchez is seen bending over to bring his handcuffed hands under his feet and out the front. He then squeezes through that open window to the driver's seat.
So it started with the crash. That's the only reason I got involved. It started with the crash on road 5.
Oh, fuck. Well, he just stole the patrol car.
He began speeding on US 50, ran a red light, and led police on a chase.
Notified Penn County, we need stop stitch out for this vehicle. It is a marked patrol unit. Lights are activated.
The police had to cut off radio contact so he couldn't hear them coordinate.
P14, which direction is that? We are eastbound 50 from La Junta. 1122. I do not have eyes on him. There's 3 PD officers in front of me. I have 2 Charlie 3 on board.
That's one on Otero.
Copy 1123. Where is he at? Copy, Greg. 1123. He's gonna get wrecked.
He's got about a half a tank.
Well, I got a half a tank of gas. Go ahead and have radio. Disable the radio, please. Disable the radio. Sorry, car 723.
Police and deputy sheriffs set a trap further down the road using stop sticks to blow out the tires.
Okay. Switch, Candy. I don't have to. Where's the keys? Good sticks. We got
Sanchez crashed into a commercial truck that was stopped on the side of the highway. Sanchez died at the scene. The truck driver was not injured.
Water or anything that anybody's got in the vehicle. Someone here on this other side.
On the afternoon of January 12, 2023, Jimmy Shoemaker Gonzalez stole a Bristol Police Department patrol car parked on Quaker Lane, and Bristol police officer Seth Petzing fired 4 shots into the patrol car as Shoemaker Gonzalez drove away, wounding him.
Freeze, stop! Whoa! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Shots fired! Shots fired! Crash to the cruiser! Throw map northbound! Oh shit! First one's got a cop car. Oh, I'm gonna get out the park! Get out the park! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze! Shots fired! Shots fired! Crash to the cruiser! First one's got a cop car. Oh, I'm gonna get out the park! Get out the park! Steal the cop car! Steal the cop car! Freeze! Freeze!
Shoemaker Gonzalez was shot 4 times, twice in the thigh and twice in the left lower leg, according to the Office of Inspector General report.
Presley, still car 257, headed northbound on Jerome, high speed. 6 behind him, 6 behind him. Jerome with me. This is 17 units to the drive. Down there. 52. Approaching Route 6. Number 6, you did have his life on him. He's approaching Route 6. He's way ahead of me right now. First lane does not have any lights on. Those 6 spots are hit once or twice on the down Brook Street. Southbound down Brook. Yeah, we need to put the garage for Christ. Southbound on Brook. If that's not someone down there, you activated the lights. Don't you guys go to an event one or something like that? You can hear the radio.
After the gunshots, Shoemaker Gonzalez continued driving for about 2.5 miles until he crashed into Palma's Diner on Stafford Avenue. The getaway vehicle in this case was a U-Haul box truck. On the evening of July 15, 2024, the State Patrol successfully used a tire deflation device to slow the vehicle. The flat tire quickly tore off, forcing a deputy and a K-9 team to dodge debris from the U-Haul. The incident began in Omro. A 45-year-old Milwaukee man and a 27-year-old Green Bay woman, where one of the two suspects involved in the chase is also accused of shooting a 65-year-old man in the 300 block of Main Street after an argument over an online car sale. Police also blocked exits along I-41 southbound to continue the pursuit on the interstate until the U-Haul escaped police at the Johnson Street exit in Fond du Lac. The lead officer then used a maneuver to turn the U-Haul around during the cross-county chase, but the suspect still attempted to flee in the opposite direction. As deputies and police officers converged on the scene, the suspects eventually surrendered and were taken into custody. A loaded gun was recovered from inside the U-Haul. Both face charges of attempted murder, as well as burglary, firearms, and drug use. Canadian County, Oklahoma.
How you doing, sir?
An Oklahoma Highway Patrol officer stopped Benjamin Henson, 23, on January. 10 for following too closely and making an unsafe lane change.
I'll explain to you everything that I stopped you for. Benjamin, whenever you made your lane change from behind that semi over to the inside lane, you were following a little too close to him before you made the movement. Okay. And then also when you made the movement, you had already started moving before your turn signal came on, okay? Yes, sir. Just try to make sure you give yourself plenty of room between vehicles in front of you when you're going 70. I'm sorry. And anytime you change lanes or merge, have that signal on for a good ways before you start moving, okay? All right, come back and have a seat with me for just a moment. I'm going to write you a warning and I'll get you on your way. Okay, thank you. Yeah, front passenger seat right there.
The officer asked him a few questions, and Henson's responses appeared unsteady.
Back towards St. Peter's, I guess?
Yes, sir.
Right, before I start, can I check your person for weapons? Yeah. Do you have anything?
The officer wrote a warning about Henson's driving before determining there was reasonable suspicion to search Henson's vehicle. Seconds later, the officer found several large bags of marijuana inside the vehicle.
There's a dog right here behind you, but he won't bother you. Okay. Sit down.
Henson was handcuffed as the officer continued to search the vehicle.
Westbound, going to get a 2829. That's going to be on a personalized out of Oklahoma. It's going to be 6, Paul, Tom, 2.
Henson moved the handcuffs from behind his back to the front of his body, jumped into the driver's seat and drove off. His K9 dog, Cash, stayed behind and followed him throughout the trip. Henson crashed into a fence and jumped out to continue on foot. Henson was found about a half-mile away, hiding in a creek. Henson was arrested on multiple complaints and is currently being held in the Canadian County Jail. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey filled with the most dangerous chases. If you're looking for heart-stopping action, this is just the beginning. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more incredible moments coming your way.